Maize farming. From seed to harvest. Hello, everyone. Today, I will talk about maize farming, one of the most important agricultural activities in the world. Maize, also known as corn, is a staple food for millions of people and plays a vital role in food security, livestock feeding, and industrial production. Worcester. Importance of maize. Maize is one of the most widely grown cereal crops globally. It is important because it provides food for humans in the form of maize flour, roasted maize, popcorn, and many other products. Maize is also used as animal feed for poultry, cattle, and pigs. In industries, maize is processed into starch, cooking oil, ethanol, sweeteners, and various food products. Additionally, maize farming generates income for farmers and creates employment opportunities throughout the agricultural value chain. Types of maize. There are several types of maize grown around the world. 1. Dent maize, commonly used for animal feed and industrial processing. 2. Flint maize, has hard kernels and is often grown in areas with harsh climatic conditions. 3. Sweet maize, consumed as a vegetable due to its sweet taste. 4. Popcorn maize, used specifically for making popcorn. 5. Waxy maize, used in food processing and industrial applications. 6. Quality protein maize, QPM, contains improved protein quality and is beneficial for human nutrition. Farmers should choose maize varieties suitable for their region, climate, and intended use. Way. Land preparation. Successful maize farming begins with proper land preparation. The land should be cleared of weeds, crop residues, and unwanted materials. Plowing should be done to loosen the soil and improve aeration. Harrowing follows to create a fine seedbed suitable for planting. Soil testing is recommended to determine nutrient levels and soil pH. This helps farmers apply the correct fertilizers and soil amendments. Seed selection. Choosing quality seeds is very important. Farmers should purchase certified seeds from reputable suppliers. Certified seeds have high germination rates, better resistance to diseases, and higher yield potential. The selected variety should match local weather conditions and maturity requirements. Tier. Planting should be done at the onset of the rainy season or when irrigation water is available. Seeds are usually planted at a depth of 3 to 5 centimeters. The recommended spacing is often 75 centimeters between rows and 25 to 30 centimeters between plants, depending on the variety. Farmers should place 1 or 2 seeds per planting hole and cover them lightly with soil. Proper spacing ensures adequate sunlight, nutrients, and airflow for healthy crop growth. 0. Fertilizer application. Maize requires sufficient nutrients for good growth. Basal fertilizers such as DAP or NPK are commonly applied during planting to encourage root development. Top dressing fertilizers such as CAN or urea are applied when the maize reaches knee height to promote vigorous vegetative growth. Organic manure can also be incorporated into the soil to improve fertility and soil structure. Crop management. After planting, farmers must manage weeds, pests, and diseases. Weeding should be done regularly because weeds compete with maize for water, nutrients, and sunlight. Mulching and proper field sanitation can also help reduce weed growth. Maize requires adequate moisture throughout its growth stages. Irrigation may be necessary during dry periods, especially during flowering and grain-filling stages. Suckers, common maize pests. Several pests affect maize production. Fall armyworm, stem borers, aphids, cutworms, maize, weevils. Farmers can control these pests through integrated pest management, including crop rotation, field monitoring, biological control methods, and approved pesticides when necessary. Common maize diseases. Maize is susceptible to several diseases, including 1. Maize streak disease, causes yellow streaks on leaves and stunted growth. 2. Northern leaf blight, produces long gray-green lesions on leaves. 3. Gray leaf spot, causes rectangular spots on leaves. 4. common rust. Appears as reddish-brown pustules on leaves. 5. Ear rot. Affects maize cobs and reduces grain quality. Disease management includes using resistant varieties, practicing crop rotation, maintaining field hygiene, and applying recommended fungicides when necessary. Growth stages of maize. Maize passes through several growth stages: germination, seedling stage, vegetative growth, tasseling, silking, pollination, grain filling, physiological maturity. During pollination, pollen from the tassels fertilizes the silks, leading to kernel development. This is a critical stage that requires